In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install video streaming portal script. That's TV shows, movies, sports, videos, streaming, live TV. So let's get started. I'll be using code list for this testing purposes. Let me go straight to my code list.cc, enter. Then next I click on the search button to search for the script I'm looking for, video streaming, enter. Okay, here is it. I click on it. Then next I scroll down to select the link to download it. Don't forget I'm using code list just for testing purposes. Please use link in the description to purchase the script. And copy. I open a new tab, then paste it there, enter. Then next I click on download, but I have already downloaded the script, so I don't need to download again. Let me go straight to my computer. So here is it. I have extracted it. Then I open it. I open this as well. So here is the file I'm sending to my cPanel. So I have zipped it. This is the zip file I've sent to my cPanel. So let me go straight to my cPanel. Then I scroll down to my file manager. I click on file manager. Next I go to my subdomain, which I'm using because I'm using subdomain for this testing purpose. So test set, here is it. As you can see, I have extracted the file. Here is the folder. Here is the folder. Here is the script I uploaded. That's the file, video streaming portal.zip. So I extracted it. So next, let me go back to my cPanel, then my database, to create my database. So let me name my database as, then create database. Go back, the database has been created, go back. Next, let me create the user. Pasted. Then create database. Created. I click on go back again. Now, so let me add user to the database. I'll make sure I select the one I just created. So I click on add. I give up privileges, then I scroll down to make changes. Next I click on go back. What next is for me to go to my site. So I go to my subdomain. Here's my subdomain. So next I click on next. Don't forget, I'm using this just to code this for testing purpose, so that's why I'm filling this. Please use link in description to purchase script. I click on verify. Next. So database host, that's local host, username, yes, let me go back to my database. Then I import. I click on next. So you can now log in using your email admin@admin.com, and the default password is admin. Okay, login admin@admin.com, admin, login. So I have successfully installed my script. Here is my dashboard. Here is language, anywhere I want to go to. Here is my menus, and look at the general dashboard. So from there I can go to anywhere I want. So please, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and use link in description to buy me coffee if you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.